Class, listen up. People, listen up. You there, in the back row. Ugly shirt. Yes, you. Take the book from your head and remove your fingers from your nose and sit down. Class, you're speaking quite loudly. I say, and I'm trying to teach you something important. Silence! You ignorant fools! Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you won't. I really don't care. Maybe I'd have better luck teaching a dog to understand the relationship between units, duration, and work with respect to tasks in Microsoft Project. There. Thank you. Now that I have your attention, I'll pretend that you don't play soccer with your brains on Saturdays. And I'll begin the lesson. Understand this and understand it well. In Microsoft Project, work equals units times duration. This is a formula, you fulcrum points. Do you comprehend what the hell a formula is? It's a rule, essentially. And in this particular rule, there are 3 parts, or variables. Read them again, if you can. If you cannot, please continue to stare at me blankly and nod your heads in agreement. Work equals units times duration. Good. Now, try to wrap your feeble little minds around this. In Microsoft Project, all tasks are fundamentally governed by this formula. The amount of work typically shown in hours necessary to complete a task is calculated by A, how long the task is estimated to complete, which is the duration, multiplied by B, the percentage of time that a resource, such as a human, will devote the task, called units. As a simple example, peons, you have 5 days for one person working half of their workday to, let's see. Let me think of a task. Oh, I don't know. Here's a random one. One person working half of their workday over 5 days to design and execute a plan to kidnap Lois. Right. So, how much work in hours would that take me? Someone? Class? Well, use the bloody formula. Your duration would be 5 days, which is equivalent to 40 hours. Times half the person's workday, so the units would be 50%. That would calculate a work effort of 20 hours. 20 glorious work hours performed over 1 week, and your task is complete. Splendid. Now, of course, there are other scheduling options for you to consider when hatching your creating your perfect plan. Microsoft Project also allows you to lock or fix one of the variables in the work equation for greater mastery of your task's behavior. And then things get really exciting. However, I'll let someone from EPMA beat you into submission with that gem of knowledge. I have a dinner party to attend shortly, and I really must be going. But do call them. I'm sure they'd love to hear from you. Bye-bye.